Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how can we perform alphanumeric check in Cobol using special names. Before proceeding, we should know what is this special names in Cobol. The special names paragraph is the name of an environment division paragraph in which environment names are related to user specified mnemonic names. This is defined under configuration section. So here if you see, I have taken a special names under configuration section and I have associated a class name that is called VALID-CHAR which is containing the alphabet A through Z. This class keyword is very important because this is the keyword which is associating this user defined field to the alphabets. I will show you more about this when I will run the program. There are some frequent use of special names paragraph like relates class names to set of characters. This is what I have done here. Next is specifies one or more currency sign values and defines a picture symbol to represent each currency sign value in picture clauses. So using the special names you can also define the currency sign. The third one is specifies that the function of the comma and decimal point are to be interchanged in picture clause and numeric literals. There are few countries where decimal points are denoted by comma. So that interchange you can also do using the special names so that in the picture clause that comma sign will be treated as decimal. So this is a simple code to validate the alphabet. So here you can see I have associated a class name called VALID-CHARS which is containing A through Z. Now under the working storage section, I have taken a variable that is ws data having pick x of 10 and it is containing the alphabets. Under the procedural division, if I want to validate this ws data, then we can just write if ws data is valid chars. So what will happen? All the character inside this ws data will be validated with this valid chars class. So here if you see this all are the alphabets. So if all the alphabets will be found under this range because it is A through Z, right? So this will become true and this will display valid. If this particular variable contains any other character other than alphabet, then this will display invalid. Let's show you the code in action. So this is the code that I have written over here. Okay, if I run this, this is valid. If you change something, for example, if you insert a numeric value over here, then this will say invalid. However, if you want to do the alphanumeric check, then what you can do, you can just change the definition. You just have to put the comma, then you have to introduce another range that is 0 to 9, right? Now if you run this code, then it will also validate the numeric. Here you can see it is valid now. Similarly, if you also want to add some special symbol, for example at the rate and percentage. Okay, right now if you run this code, this is valid, right? If you just write at the rate and say percentage, then also it will be valid because now this is included in the class name. However, if you put some other character, for example star, then this will fail. So this way, depending upon your requirement, you can put the range over here under the class name and then you can validate in this way. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much.